Welcome back, A&B Film Fam. We're back with another banger video. If you guys have not subscribed to our channel, make sure you subscribe and click that bell.
Hit them bells. Them bells, man.
Today, we're gonna go eat at Toro.
We're gonna go eat at Toro. But I got a surprise because we didn't put this on the video because my son was working in his car. But look at that, beautiful. He got his car back.
Got that motherfucking car back. We're gonna go eat at El Toro. And we got some other things planned out for the video today. After El Toro, we're gonna go eat at... We're gonna go
go watch the movie of Bad Boys.
Bad Boys. Then after that, we got a surprise for you guys later tonight. So stay tuned.
We got a video. The bangers.
Why y'all so quiet, guys? Nah, but the Camaro looking beautiful right now. Looking clean. It's been in the fucking shop for like 3 months. But my mechanic did an amazing job with the Camaro. So shout out to him.
And the best wiring. So if y'all need a vehicle, let me know and I'll take y'all to him. Probably give you a good ass deal. You need a cam, stage 2 cam, put a supercharger, put a twin turbos. He'll do the thing. Alright guys, we're about to come eat. It's called El Toro. If you guys are out of state,
I can't even see it, I'm too short.
If you guys are out of state, I recommend y'all come here. It's right here by Avon, on Plainfield, by MCS movie theater.
How'd you get here so fast?
I teleported. So we're here at El Toro now. As Dad explained it. We got here Chavo del Ocho. Take a view.
Oh, we're the only ones.
He's famous. Everybody knows him. About the whole restaurant, bro. I was just wondering.
Don't cuff your hand, bro. Could you not be just cuffed like this on my ass? Bro, don't do that, bro.
And you just grabbed my thigh and said, like,
No, I did it.
yeah. When? Just now. Yeah, I'll take off my pants right now and show you the.
What you guys gonna get,
damn,
guys?
look at your neck.
Damn them vampires, bro.
My neck, what happened? I don't know, bro. I was biting too hard on your neck. Yeah, we both know.
We're back in here. I got me a burrito de asada and frito beans, aguacate,
Queso birria. Yeah.
fire.
It's fire. Well, me, I got the same as that. It's just de pollo. It's a mega burrito.
Mega burrito.
Mom got the same
Got
thing.
mom got the queso birria.
Same thing as Steven.
Same thing. Look at that, guys. Fire. Ooh.
Probably like, what are you pushing?
You guys don't have to put me on the spot like that. He said,
Take a bite, babe. Take a bite.
no way. I'll take a bite.
And then you take a bite, because I know you have a smaller mouth.
Got dipped in the saucy. Ooh, that shit hot.
But,
Yeah, grip on that. Good. Think about that. Come on. Show that bite.
I can't think of
Come on. That baby ass bite you got, bro. That's how you be sucking on that dick.
You're the one that opened your mouth all the way.
That's
way
an
is it?
upper bite.
She mopping on you. I swear, Indiana never makes me, bro. Like, literally. They be doing something funny and shit.
That shit good.
I'm sorry. No offense.
God.
Muchas gracias por darme.
No. Ay, pues espérate, está lleno esto.
That's a triple shot, bro. Ain't no double shot.
This is a whole bottle, bro.
They gave you the last of the bottle, bro.
Oh.
I thought they were going to be the little cups.
This is gonna be for the start of our YouTube channel. We're taking a shot for each one of you guys.
Oh,
You better breathe in, breathe out.
Motherfucking drink it, bro.
Oh,
I
bro.
don't think I'm gonna be able to drink
I
the whole
don't
thing.
think I'm gonna be able to drink it.
That's 3 shots.
Drink the rest. You gotta drink the rest. Wait,
I'll drink the whole thing.
Damn.
the rest?
With the left.
Cheers up, guys. God damn, smell it, bro.
Don't smell it, just chug it.
I can't, bro.
Here, pour it in too. You want 2 shots?
Yeah, I need it.
Pour it into that one.
That lemon's nasty, bro.
Let's get it. Let's go.
No, I want 2 shots.
All right, guys. Okay.
Yeah, bro, don't have a throat. You got throw it. Yeah, open up your inside up. You breathe.
No, for real. I'm
I don't think I'm gonna be able to take that whole shot like that. Like he did it.
Oh man, it's hot.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to chug it like you, bro. But I'll take my 2 shots.
Come on. You got this.
You got it, bro.
It's like water, bro.
If it was like water, you would have been finishing yours. Steven, you still got some in there.
Don't I?
God damn. The boy is hot. That's not no double shot. That's like triple shot right here.
It's 3 shots. I can breathe.
I like a lot of throw up right there, bro.
Oh, puta madre. So I came in here and photo, bro.
Let's do it.
Remo, este no es double shot, Remo. No. Ay, pues. Esto no es doble. No, esto no es doble.
¿Es más?
Son como
Es
3
más,
ahí.
es como 3.
Bueno, es que las cervezas ya tenemos, son en total 4 onzas.
A la verga. Su puta madre.
So that's a shot for all you guys, people that subscribe. We just drank 4 shots, I guess.
Alright, y'all, so we just got done eating. We just took fucking 4 shots each. Bro. It feels good out here, not lying. But right now we're going to the movies. We better go watch Bad Boys. Bad Boys. Let's get it.
Let's go see all what the hype is.
I feel like it's gonna be amazing. They said it was good, so.
They're all wearing their Florida shirts.
Florida shirt. Florida. Sponsor me. Give me more shirts.
Maybe a couple more too.
Come on.
Let me see your back part.
I cannot take them anywhere no more. They just fucking broke. They just broke. Oh, which one is it? That one.
Which one?
This one.
Where'd they go?
They went to go get more straws because they're broke. I'm not taking them no more to the movie theaters. He literally sat on that shit. Look, that's what's big.
Look at her. I laughed.
I can't take y'all no more. Well, I'm about to unplug that spark plug. You playing with me?
It's already tightened up.
I got the bolt to loosen it up. Ah, it did. That's what I thought.
Hey, right here looks like the inside the movies when they do the drug dealing. The drug dealing, the movies, the lighting, or at a club.
K12, K15, K14, I'm guessing 13. K12, K15. Alright. K12 to 15.
Babe.
At night, PT by dawn, Dean's List by dusk. Crushing classwork online during the morning rush. always felt like Penn State World Campus. Since 1998, we've led the charge in online education, offering access to more than 175 in-demand programs taught by our expert faculty. That's the campus delivers on your time.
What the hell? Why it smell like that? So
In 2024 World Cup.
Oh shit.
Okay, so
It's still daylight? For real?
we finished the movie. I feel like we were there for like 5 hours. That movie was fucking dope. I got nothing to say.
Motherfucker got bit by that. Look at his head. I look at him.
He was like, whoosha, whoosha. Right now we're about to go feed the dogs and then go watch the cars and hit the car meet. That was a little surprise. Oh shit. First car meet in a minute, right? Alright, y'all. Yeah, cool car wash. We got to give a walk to the cars. You guys can see that already started. We got one car already in the car wash right now, getting his car wash. We got mine and Steven. And Mom's about to get a car wash right now too. And we're about to head down that way to Bubba's, right? Yeah, we're about to meet everybody else that have the cars there too. Hey! We're gonna try to make it as entertaining as possible. We try to show as much cars as we can. You already know that you get car wash in the kitchen. I'm gonna get naked, go like this, get the car wash. That's a bathing suit. Alright, y'all. We're back with some clean ass cars right now. As y'all can see, the cars are clean. We're gonna have a good night today. What y'all gotta say?
Huh?
We're gonna have a good night today, right?
Yeah, it's a little hot. Yeah, for the most part, we're gonna have a good time.
Oh yeah. You wanna give them a little demonstration of the car or what?
It's wet, so it's gonna spin. But I gotta clean, feel me?
Oh yeah.
We're all gonna get out of here and not. We'll hit the car meet. Ain't gonna do bumper clean.
Mm-hmm. But that shit nice though. But it's still nice though. It's clean. Then we got the 5.0 over here.
It's a little slow, so you might see it on the video, but
A little slow.
And then we got the SS. Stands for super slow.
Super slow. Just out there.
That's SS.
Alright y'all. As y'all can see, some fire ass cars over here. That's RT.
That's the one that popped, bro. That's it. Pop.
That's not the Scout.
We got the Viper. That motherfucker is clean.
Oh, he on tire. He's on a tire. Oh, that's his name. What's it? What's his name?
Baile Henry.
Fun fact, my dad had a Porsche just like that one. What happened to it? I don't know. That motherfucker's fast. But y'all know. That shit clean. Mighty parts for that car is up the butt. That's clean.
Oh, look, bro. I told you should have get one of them. What the fuck is 6.2 motor in it? That's on point, man.
Alright guys, we switched positions. We're not over there, now we're actually lined up. Show the cars. Got everybody out here. What? So fucking fire. Damn. Holy shit. This was the last time he got me. He just got me in my ass, bro. That motherfucker is gay. We are here in the Carmi right now. Greenwood. We were just revving our shit. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, we were just revving our shit. The lady just came up. Now I'm like, bro, what the fuck? They're over there revving their shit. But we got a little audience.
Oh no, that's the most. Lasha's probably gonna go down right now. But she went to go get her crew, I'm guessing. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. I don't think what's gonna happen.
Wait, don't come get that truck! Get the truck!
Yeah, exactly. Damn, for real. Alright, like I said, Lasha just happened.
Damn, she coming.
What's happening? Fuck, I'll hit her in her shit if I have to.
Where did she come from?
She's a girl from the speakers, right?
She yelled in my face.
She did the same thing with me.
She did the same thing to me. She did the same thing to me, so. She's like, can you not? I'm like.
That's why I kept doing it. I kept purring her in my face. That's why I was doing it. She was like, can you not? And I was like,
That's the thing. A diesel truck pulled up earlier and he fucking was doing a burnout.
that's what she didn't say nothing to that.
Did not call the cops on that.
He said, chillax.
We got here, our cars has been off. We have not revved it, not once until now.
Come on, you're racing an 800 horse? I just something about Mr. Bell.
You're the one.
You automatic or manual? You manual? Yeah, automatic.
Can you left one of the doors open?
I'm rinsing you.
No, your car's still on.
No, I'm rinsing you though.
800 plus. I don't care. 800 plus.
I'm somewhere around there. Exactly. You see that? Damn! Tell her to go get him.
Yeah, go get him.
Bitch.
She's on the road though.
Fuck.
It's car right now.
Where's she at?
She went back down there.
She got scared. She got scared.
She came in my face, bro. Knocked that bitch out on sight, bro.
Hey, I'll be around.
Follow us on Instagram, bro.
Yeah.
Watch our YouTube channel.
You're on YouTube right now, dog.
YouTube right now, man. Say what's up. Say what's up.
Put your shit, bro. Put your shit. I'm slow though. I can't say nothing, bro. Trust me, the future, dog. Yeah. Damn.
That's the thing about us, bro. We support anybody, bro. For real.
Hey, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, you know. Turn on all notifications. Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Look, he knows how to close out a video.
Not even exactly.
That's not it.
That's not them. That's not them. That's not him. No, we got a crew. We got one crew. You know what I'm saying? Let me see. Bro, I'm trying to find it, bro.
You got a Supra.
Who? What color?
It's like a black one.
A black Supra?
Yeah, black Supra.
No, I've never seen that
But
one.
like bronze rims.
I know a green one.
It has bronze rims on it. He's not out here right now.
Yeah, he's not here. Yeah, that's
not
why.
here.
But yeah, I know a green one with the. I think it was some like bronze wheels.
They're shitty. Who's the other one? He's with me. Where's the lady? Push that. Just get out my way. That's what he said. Man, what are you doing?
Our shit was turned off the whole time until we turned our shit on.
Real.
They just attacked us.
Okay, it's because I'm Hispanic. That's why I said it out loud. Because I'm Mexican or what?
Is that blackface? Is that blackface?
Dude, they just pack. What the fuck? What happened to your face?
Is that blackface? What the fuck?
Hey, bro. We do not condone anything he says. We don't know him sometimes.
No, what do you mean? I didn't even say nothing.
Did you not see that?
Did you not see that?
I did.
This random shit happens here in Greenwood, Indiana.
Hey, the drum.
I'm gonna get my ass. I'm gonna get my ass.
I'm gonna get shot.
Where's that white lady? Why you don't come get them? Ready?
This came over here fucking yelling in my face.
Alright, y'all. We are back from the Kinetic Army. It was somewhat fun. I enjoyed it.
It was too much loud music, made my head hurt, guys.
I was trying my best to promote it and try to get more people to view our channel.
What time is it?
1:11 in the morning. And it's time for us to end the video. So make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. And hit turn on that bell. And stay tuned for another video that we're going to be posting.
Another banger.
Fun fact, Henry likes strippers.
Oh.